So we are here with a king crab. I'm so excited. Look at that. Let's take off all the fat. Some people eat it, I do not. It's just gross. It sucks too because it makes it look like it's way bigger than it is. But it's not. Look, this tiny little thing. So I'm gonna dip it here in my mayo mustard dip. Throw some lemon. Oh yeah, that's good. I wish they would have given me more garlic sauce. They said it's in here. Literally like that much. Let's put this back a little bit. And they crack it open for you too, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, see, most of this is fat. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So delicious. Oh yeah. I got me a little bag here so I can toss the shells. Wow, look how tiny this lobster is. But I can't complain. They gave me a free soda. That was nice of them. They didn't have to do that. Look at that. Let's dip it. Oop, got some on my phone. Look at that. Shrimp. Of course, green nut mussel. How much choke there? Ooh. Sausage. Snow crab. Thought I was gonna get it, but nope. It's stuck, and I don't have scissors. Yeah, they didn't season this at all. Usually they do. But they didn't. So we got a bigger piece here. I'm trying to get in here. Yeah, they didn't season this at all. It's like they just threw it in the pot and boiled it and threw garlic butter sauce on top. Dip it. Whoop. Flying crab. Oh, look at that. That's funny. Dip it. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Jumbo shrimp. Mm-hmm. Go get you some.